What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell by the title, we are doing a 613 blonde wig. I feel like I haven't did a voiceover in like so long, so I decided, why not? So as y'all can tell by the title and the picture, your girl went back blonde. Like my very first video, I did an 8-inch blonde wig, and I told myself I was never going back blonde because it just didn't work. But guess what? I love this blonde wig that I have on. I know in the video I'm gonna say I'm not sure how I feel about it, but as I got to wear it, like, y'all, I fell in love with that blonde wig, like, for real. But I have 2 videos already on how I do the ball cap method, but I just inserted this clip anyways, just in case y'all haven't seen it and y'all can see how I do mine. I usually just spray one layer of got to be spray, and then I come back with one layer of the Ghost Bond or the Erica J adhesive glue, and I put it around just one layer, blow dry it, and then after it's fully dry, I come back with a foundation or a concealer that matches my skin color as close as possible to give it a scalp effect. And that's what y'all see me doing right here. Honestly, y'all, I still don't even know my foundation color. Like, I haven't got matched yet, but as y'all can tell, like, I had 2 foundations. Like, I didn't know which one to use. Like, I'm in between a cappuccino and a warm honey. So, yeah, that's what I use. So, y'all already see me put the makeup on the inside of the wig. If y'all have tint spray, y'all can use that. But I just stick to what I know. And what I know right now is the foundation. So right here, all I'm doing is cutting off the excess cap, and then I'm gonna come back and clean it up with some alcohol, using my little pads or whatnot. And yeah, so right here, all y'all see me doing is making sure that the wig fit. And guess what? Your girl did. Your girl made this wig. Yes, I did. I made this wig myself. Yeah, I was so nervous when I was making this wig. I wasn't sure if it was gonna come out right, but everything is trial and error. Trial and error. So right here, y'all gonna see me put on 1 layer of glue, but I actually put on 3 layers. I just end up cutting the other clips out because it was, it was kind of unnecessary to see me like repeat the same thing. And of course, I blow dry it until it gets clear, and then I go ahead and take my wig down. And I just usually use my hands just to press the lace into the glue as possible. Sometimes I come back with my scarf and do it again, but I don't know. I think I was in a rush this day. I'm not sure why I didn't come back right here and put the scarf, but y'all see me cutting out the ear tabs because the frontal was a little too long for my head. So of course I'm cutting off the excess lace so my ear can fit. And then I'm gonna come and spray some, I think I had the got to be spray. Yeah, I'm gonna come back and spray the got to be spray and take it down just a little bit more. And then I think I'll come with my scarf. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Hold on. No, I don't have my scarf. So I actually have this elastic it's like an elastic band, but it's not an elastic band, but it's called an elastic band, but it's like just a stretchy material. And I actually got that from the hair store. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it. Y'all see it's a little dirty because your girl, I love my wigs, man. I love my wigs. I need to wash it. I know I need to wash it. I need to wash my elastic band, but right here, all y'all see me doing is trying to find a side part, and I end up redoing this side part again. So I kind of struggled right here for no reason, but I left this clip in purposely because, yes, I wanted to show y'all how bad I was struggling trying to pluck my part out. Like, I could not see. Like, it's so blonde, and I honestly didn't know what I was plucking. Like, I think I was just, I don't know what I was doing right here. But I'm gonna end up not even using that part. Like, I'm gonna make me a whole different part to use. So like this, I just wanted to show y'all the struggle that I was doing for no reason. But yeah. Alright, so I started to actually talk to y'all in my clips, but the voice was not matching, y'all. The voice was not matching what I was saying. Like, it just wasn't matching the words that was coming out of my mouth. It wasn't matching. But at the end of the video, I'ma still leave that clip for y'all of me talking, because I was talking too much. So I do apologize in advance. The end clip with me actually talking to y'all, and then the voice is not matching the words that's coming out of my mouth or anything. I do apologize, but I feel like I had to leave that part in because I wanted y'all to hear what I was saying. Okay, so this part right here, all I'm doing is cutting off the excess lace, and y'all see me keep flipping it up because I wanted to make sure that I was close enough to the hairline, but at the same time I wasn't leaving so much lace on my forehead. So if it did stick to my forehead, I just lift it a little bit up and just cut it off. So now y'all see how blunt and white my hairline is, right? That's because I'm using a transparent lace. The HD lace blends in so well. Like, I swear I barely need makeup for the HD lace, but for the transparent lace, I need makeup to put on top, which is fine. Like, I love working with transparent lace and the HD lace. Now, the medium brown, sometimes it come off dark, sometimes it don't. Like, it just all depends on the company, I guess. But as y'all see, I put that makeup on that lace and it's melting. Like, it looked like the hair is coming out of my scalp. And then on top of that, I put more Got To Be spray just to like melt it in a little bit more. And y'all, look at that hairline. Like, come on now, just look at that. So I'm doing is pressing the lace in. Any lace that wasn't like tacked down with glue or Got To Be, just pushing it in more and more. So just cleaning it up, any leftover makeup, and y'all see the tissue was getting in the glue. So all I did was just take my little brush and like basically just comb that little tissue out. No biggie, no biggie. So I'm just about done with my hair, but then I decided to move my part. So y'all gonna see me change my part again because I wasn't sure. Like, I wasn't sure, but I sprayed it once again just to melt it again. I tied it up again because I wanted to just make sure that I was like, man, I need to make sure this is melted. This is blonde hair. Everybody know that's not my hair, but at the same time, I'm about to make it look like it's my hair. So I just wanted to make sure that I had this lace like melted and melted like really, really good. Y'all, I swear, every time I put this band on my head, I don't know why I be putting it on my ears. That band hurts so bad because I be putting it so tight. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not my hair. Y'all can't tell me that's not my hair. Alright, so this is the part. So I decided to move my part a little deeper, because I don't know, like I'm telling y'all, when I was doing my hair, like, man, I'm not feeling this blonde, like I'm not sure. So I kept playing in my hair. Y'all know how I do. I don't know why. Towards the end, when I think I'm done, I find a reason to mess with my hair some more, like just tweak it just a little bit more. So instead of me plucking this time, y'all see how I made my new part? All I did was put makeup. And I should have just did that from the get-go. I was like, instead of trying to pluck this part out, look at it. I just put makeup on it, and guess what? I just defined my part a little bit, and that was good. I was like, eesh, you should have just did this from the get-go. You should have just did this from the get-go. And I ended up liking it a whole lot better. Like, a whole lot better. But I do hope y'all enjoy this video. I really hope y'all do. Your girl do like her hair. I know in the video I say I don't, but I love it. I really do. This is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Tell me what y'all think about this look on me, this color on me. Most likely, I'm not keeping this hair, this blonde in my hair that long. Most likely, your girl is gonna color this wig. Your girl is gonna color this wig, and I'm thinking gray, but probably not color. Probably like just wash with the purple shampoo until I get a gray color. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do with this wig, because it's blonde. It's not for me, but I wanted to try it. I wanted to see how it looked. But yeah, this is the final look. I did make this wig. I'm so proud of myself. Trials and tribulations did happen, you know. This is like my third wig that I ever made in my life, and I kind of took my time with this one, but I did notice, like, when I got to the frontal and the back, that I was supposed to put my like one track going backwards to cover everything, and I didn't. But I mean, ain't nobody that's supposed to be all in my face, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody get out of my face. So this is 3 full bundles, and it's in the frontal is a 20, 22, no. Frontal 20, then I got 20, 22, 24. It's thick though, like it looked kind of thin, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, like it's really thick. Like, it's really thick. And I told myself, I said, you know what, I think I like it better when everything pushed to the back. I said, I'm kind of glad that I did buy a frontal and the bundles, because if I had just bought a wig, y'all know that wig would have been thin. Then I'd have had to do like a 180, and even the 180s be thin. So yeah, this is the final look, y'all. Like, I think I like it better with everything pushed back like this. You know what I'm saying? I think it's cute. I don't know. Stepping out of my comfort zone. This was supposed to be my birthday hat, but I'm glad it wasn't, because like I would have been like really upset. But it came out good. As y'all can tell, like, your girl did that. Don't mind this ashiness right here. I gotta clean my face up, because that's all got to be. But your girl melted. Hold up. You see that little piece? I'm talking too fast. Hold on. Talking too fast, Ish. Your girl melted that lace pretty damn good. Pretty darn good. I just gotta clean all that up. I did get on my hair a little bit, but I ain't tripping. Like, I'm really not tripping. I do thank y'all for watching your girl video. Tell me what y'all think of this look. Tell me what y'all think of this hair, this color. I'm gonna leave the link below to the hair that I use
And guess what your girl did? I bought a new flat iron and I'm in love with this flat iron. This is the Baby Bliss Pro. Y'all, one time it got so straight, like. And I bought a new tripod. Your girl bought a new tripod. That's the main hit. You know, I had to get some stuff that I really needed. I needed another flat iron, I needed a tripod. But y'all, I think it's gonna grow on me. Like, I think I like it like this. One hair in the front, one in the back, or maybe all of it in the back. It's gonna grow on me. Y'all gonna see me taking my little pictures or whatnot. But I know for sure I'm gonna like it better with a fill tone. Cause I just, this right here, whew, baby, this, I can't believe I got this big dark spot in the middle of my forehead like that. I had a bump, put toothpaste on it, and I feel like it went, the bump went away fast, but then the mark just stayed. And the mask messing up my skin. That's why I feel like it's dark. That's why I feel like I'm dark, because my skin not as even. Like, y'all can go check out like my first videos. Matter of fact, my first video I did 613 a bob, and my face was so clear. Like, that was before the freaking COVID didn't happen. I feel like I'm rambling. Thank y'all again for watching. Y'all stay tuned for my next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit the thumbs up. Post notification bell on so y'all know when I post a new video. Thank y'all.